wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be sharing, or rather showing you guys how to bleach your knots, your frontals, or either your closure. So you need your bleach, a brush, in a container. So I used 2 full tablespoons of the bleach and then 1.5 of the developer, and you mix. But take everything clear, just follow the steps and you will be grand.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Baby, I will show you how.
Alright guys, so the next step is to mix everything, your developer and also your bleach, so it should give you a consistency of a toothpaste. It shouldn't be too runny and also not too thick.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
So this is how it should look like after mixing. Not too thick and not too runny.
You could be the one I trust.
If you are a beginner and working with a bleach, please be careful and also be patient. You only need to cover the frontal part or the closure parts, and please make sure ukuthi awungcolisi inwele zakho with the bleach, because once iyahlala ihleli and there's no going back. So you need to be very, very, very careful. You need to cover all the parts la kune closure corner or la kune frontal yakho corner, and not the actual hair.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
Alright guys, so now you need to wait for 20 to 30 minutes and then you can rinse off your bleach. Okay guys, so now you need to rinse, and please make sure you rinse thoroughly, remove all the bleach, and then you can therefore move to using your shampoo and also your conditioner. So I'd advise you to use at least 2 layers of your shampoo and also 2 layers of your conditioner. Use your shampoo once, rinse, and then use your shampoo again and then rinse. Also for your conditioner, please make sure you rinse thoroughly. And your
I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Yeah. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Yeah. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love. Ooh, that love shabba. Ooh, that love honey. Ooh, that love baby. Ooh, that shabba, give me love, love.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let
And guys, when you are applying your shampoo and also your conditioner, please don't just focus on the bleached parts. Make sure you apply throughout your whole wig, and also do use a comb just to detangle the hair before you can rinse off your conditioner. And yeah.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Okay, so for the next step now, I'm gonna be using my trick, and please do check out my other videos on how I wash my wigs. So I'm gonna be using my plastic trick where I place my wig in a plastic. So you can use any plastic, whether a grocery plastic. And for the purpose of this video, I only waited for about 5 hours, but normally I wait for overnight, and then I can rinse off my conditioner, so for you to have like a more sleek effect. And yeah, lastly guys, please do not blow dry your wigs. Let it air dry to avoid split ends. And then yeah, so in the next clip you'll see the end product, then you can just style your wig anyhow. Bye.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes